a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug of friendship, cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's huggable car dealer.
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new. Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilbert's advantage. Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles. All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
We love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel.
Our motor vehicle inspection guarantee is 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and us.
Give you a hug of friendship.
At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
Our whole appeal, we are Canada's huggable car dealer.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
Did you know that when you purchase a vehicle through Wheels and Deals, we'll provide you with free job loss protection through walkaway? Lulu might not be excited, but you will be.
Get your Jim Gilbert's advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time. You know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.